in Fair, which is in Glastonbury, and it is one of the most wonderful vegan friendly supermarkets you could find in all of Britain, actually, certainly in Somerset. And I'm thrilled that we have something like this that has so many products that are vegan friendly, from food to detergent to soap to, you know, you name it, they have everything. So I hope you have a local supermarket that is vegan friendly and health conscious. If you do, then please put a link below and tell me what that is. And I'm in Morrison's, and I'll bang on about Morrison's a bit, but it's one of our local supermarkets to shop at. And today I'm in the free from section. I'm going to try some of this vegan Hellmann's. This has just come out. A note about the free from section is sometimes you really do have to check the label, because it'll say gluten-free, wheat-free and milk-free, but it doesn't mean everything's vegan. You really have to check. A lot of things do still have milk in and other ingredients that doesn't make them vegan. But it's great to see these sections get bigger in a lot of supermarkets, and you know, I'm looking forward to trying out the new Hellmann's. And I've come across this food, baked beans, vegan baked beans of Lincolnshire style sausage. Check them out. So I'm about to try these for the first time. I must admit, when I used to eat meat many years ago, particularly in my teenage years, baked beans and sausage by Heinz was a great hangover cure and a great snack on toast. I used to enjoy a lot, so we'll see what these are like. And I know probably a lot of you are thinking, this guy just keeps showing us fast vegan food. You know, where's the healthy, nutritious food, you know, that he's going to cook with loads of recipes? I do have some of those, but because it's Veganuary and a lot of you are doing this for the first time, I'm showing you some of the basic stuff that I like as a treat, and I know that's, you know, you'll like. And one of the things you can have, back on the chocolate theme that I mentioned yesterday, is this amazing brand of vegan Nutella called Vego, and it's nice. And you can have that with, you know, whole earth peanut butter and with coconut oil instead of margarine or butter. Have that on a toasted bap or a piece of gluten-free and vegan friendly bread, and it's sweet as. So again, I know it's pretty junky for vegan, but I will get to some more healthier options before the end of the month. And today's little video is about tofu. Tai Chung is a great brand, and it's a lovely alternative to meat. Very versatile tofu is. You can chop it up, stir fry it, add it to salads, add it to any kind of dish really. Great in stir fries, and it's a really lovely tasty alternative to meat. It's packed with protein and vitamins, and it's really versatile. This is another good brand as well, and you can do kebabs, you know, you can put vegetables and mushrooms on there and fry it up, and it's really tasty. So only a few days left of Veganuary. And as you can see, I'm actually eating something vegan and healthy today in our local Excalibur vegan cafe in Glastonbury. I love it here. And this is a great meal. It's got pecan nuts, lettuce, hummus, roasted vegetables, all goodness. And I'm going to have a nice coffee with this in a minute. I wanted to say I actually had a really bad cold over Christmas and New Year, so I'm guessing some of you have been looking at me going, he looks a bit rough, that guy. He doesn't look too healthy for a vegan. And you would be right, because I've been feeling a bit rough. And I'm just coming to the end of that lurgy now. And being a vegan, I don't get many lurgies, maybe one a year, one every 2 years. But this one particularly kicked my butt over Christmas and New Year. It went away and then it came back. So I haven't been 100%. I'm exercising again now, and I'm back on, you know, good food like this. That's going to get me right as rain. Yes, I'm still in Excalibur looking at all the amazing treats, and one of the best treats they do is this one called Sweet Treat, and it is unbelievable. Oh my god, the best ever. So I'm losing it. It's got like lemon, cocoa butter, coconut oil, amazing. And yes, I do have a chocolate bar obscuring my nose, and it's from Rhythm 108. It's one of the best vegan chocolate bars that you can buy, but the reason I'm holding it in front of my nose is because I've got a massive zits on the end of my nose, and you just can't see them because they're gross. And that's what happens with your body detoxing when you eat a better diet. And because I was sick over Christmas, I took a lot of the day nurse pills and other things, and a lot of that's coming out of my system now. I'm better, and I'm eating healthier, and it tends to come out on the end of my nose for me. So there you go. Not very funny, but it's kind of amusing. So two things If you're a vegan, your body detoxes really well, and don't miss out on this amazing chocolate bar. Yummers. So we've got tofu in this, green peppers, soya sauce, mushrooms, onion, red pepper,
Ginger.
and ginger. You see, I didn't make it. That's somebody telling me what's in it. Cheeky, eh? Looks good. I'm going to get stuck into this with some coconut rice. So, hope your Veganuary is going well. Only 2 days left. And with 1 day to go, I wanted to acknowledge everybody that gave Veganuary a go at this stage. You know, however it's gone for you, you know, I really want to acknowledge the effort that I'm sure that you've put in terms of changing your diet, embracing a more ethical lifestyle, thinking about animals, the environment, your carbon footprint and the planet. You know, it's a big deal, and, you know, well done to everybody who's gave it a go. And hopefully, you know, you're going to continue into February and throughout the rest of the year. I hope a lot of you are. But big call out to you all. Well done. And I'm looking forward to doing the last update on the 31st. Hi everyone, it's Darren here, the Very Creative Vegan, on the final day of Veganuary. Well done to anybody who went vegan this month. You know, I hope it went really well for you. I hope you enjoyed the different food, saving money, not buying meat, fish and dairy products, and the benefits that it's had to you and the animal kingdom as well. So well done again for anyone who's done it. I hope you're considering carrying it on throughout the rest of the year. And thanks everyone for watching these short video updates with me. There's going to be a lot more updates from me throughout the rest of the year. And for me, this is a new business in that I've been working as a film director and a marketeer for 25 years, but I created my new business last August called The Very Creative Vegan, and that's to help vegan and plant-based businesses to create the most cost-effective digital and video content for their new businesses. And if you want to ask me anything about being a vegan, about marketing in general, or, you know, any questions you have about your own vegan business or brand, then contact me anytime at Veganorb, message me on my Facebook page, or contact me at theverycreativevegan.com. Thanks again for watching, and again, well done for embracing veganism this Veganuary. Peace.